Jammu and Kashmir has the coniferous forests. One of the very common and familiar tree of the conifers in Jammu region is cheed pine, also called as Roxburgh's pine, as in the science botanical name Pinus roxburghi commemorates the contribution of William Roxburgh. Earlier it was also known as Pinus longifolia. Now it is known as Pinus roxburghi. We see its trees even in Gandhi Memorial Science College Jammu, which is Prince of Wales College earlier name, and it's a heritage college. So that was the commitment of a British officer who made it to grow in the scorching summer of Jammu plains. Cheer pine is the associate of Rhododendron arboreum we call chew. This tree sheds its needles during autumn season and makes a very thick carpet, and soils become acidic. So all kinds of plants do not grow. The plants which can withstand the acidic conditions, only they can grow. So Rhododendron arboreum is one which can tolerate the acidic soil composition. Another is Pyrus ovalifolia, locally called as Arman or Allan. And another tree which is also found as associate of cheed pine is Laudra. Laudra is Symplochus cratagoides. All these associates, Rhododendron arboreum, Pyrus ovalifolia, and Symplochus cratagoides, have comparatively thicker barks because the cheed pine forest is mostly prone to the summer forest fires, and only those trees will survive or withstand that fire devastation which have the thick bark, so that the inner flowing is not damaged. So the new flush of needle-like leaves in the cheed pine, they appear as candles, and they, from the candles, a forest officer can judge the quality of the soil. In Himalayas, Pinus roxburghi cheed pine has been heavily exploited for the resin extraction in the previous decades, although now this practice is being phased out, as the more cheaper and more good quality of resin is being procured from the neighboring countries like China. So this cheed pine is known as cheed in Jammu, but it is called salli in Uttarakhand. And in this cheed pine forest, we usually find the yellow golden raspberries, which is Rubus ellipticus, and even the short-winged Himalayan cuckoo, which is called Pyocapejo. This cheed pine forest is also the home for the very important medicinal tree and close relative of pistachio, pista, which is called as kakadsingi or kakade, Pistacia khinjak or Pistacia integrima, which produces insect galls like horn-like structures, and that is useful against respiratory troubles like asthma. Cheed pine forest also provides employment to the locals. Earlier it was for resin tapping, but now even for other operations like firefighting, like the new plantations being raised, and even in the collection of the local grass and mushrooms. Some of the mushrooms they grow in these forests. Marchella esculenta, gucci is one. Helvella crispa, Helvella lacunosa, Kannaguchu, that is another. Likewise, even Macrolepiota species are found. And even Termitomyces, which we call Tertalu. Wherever there are termite area, you will find. So this is a complex. Cheed pine forest is a forest community. So many plants and many creatures, they support each other. Common wildlife found in cheed pine forest area is civet cat, which is called Cinda, Tuncle, Pagioma larvata, wild cat, even mongooses, nowl, and rufous oriented turtle dove, kalmua. Even the cheed pine forest has the association of uh, this Rohini or Campilak, Camilla, Melotus, Philippinensis. And even in some locations we find very threatened Himalayan golden sage, golden spike, which is known as Phlomides superba. Earlier it was called as Eremostachys superba or Gajarmula, as it has the swollen roots. So the industrial applications of resin, after distillation we get this turpentine and rosin. Turpentine is used in many industrial applications, pharmaceuticals, detergents, disinfectants, and insecticide preparation, manufacture. And likewise, even rosin is also used in many cosmetics and many disinfectants. So there's a lot of demand of this resin. Cheed pine area also have the Pyrrhospacia, wild pear, which is also close associate of this, and then very elegant winter flax, which is a close relative of ulsi flax, which we find in the market. That is Reinwardsia indica, purely or basant, which is oil of the Reinwardsia is also used for the leprosy and various other ailments. We also find Acacia fistula kranga, amalthas in this cheed pine forest. In some locations, this is also in close association with the Punica granatum. For example, in Chennai area and Pida, we usually see the cheed pine association with Punica granatum, the source of anardana. Another pine species which we find at the higher reaches, that is Patrintab, Kud, Batot, Bhadarwa, that is blue pine, also known as the Bhutan pine, which we call as Kalchid in Dogri and Kairu in Kashmiri language, Pinus wallichiana. Whereas the Pinus roxburghi has the 3 needles, in case of blue pine or Kairu, Kalchid, we have the 5 needles. And quality of turpentine is much good, better in case of blue pine, but it is not exploited. And in the higher reaches of the blue pine, associates we find Taxus wallichiana, U, also known as Brahmi Rukh. Blue pine has lot of industrial applications. Is timber is exploited in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and this is superior than the Pinus roxburghi timber. And this particular tree is a bluish tinge. So all these mountain slopes, which are fragile slopes, and they are prone for the soil erosion in case they are, so they clothe the mountain slopes and protect the ecology, and also harbor many wildlife like tragopans, tragopan pheasant, like the monal pheasant, Lophophorus impianus, tragopan, melanocephalus, even college pheasant, colsa, which is called as Lophura leucomelana, then Macau, also known as Kokla's pheasant, Pucrasia, Macrolofa, Budalfi. Likewise, we find even the pigeon pada. Pada is a hog deer, pigeon is goral, Nemoredus goral, or Axis parsinus is pada. Then even musk deer also, musk deer, Mascus chrysogaster, or Mascus cupreus. So we have the rich wildlife because of these coniferous forests dominated by the blue pine. Third pine, which is found in Jammu and Kashmir, and that is endemic to northwestern Himalayas, some part of Pakistan and Afghanistan, and not found elsewhere, that is Pinus gerardiana. It has been named after the army officer who has served in India, Captain Gerard. So it is locally known as Chilgoja. Chilgoja means 40 nuts. So it is estimated that one cone produces about 40 seeds. Seeds are about 2.5 centimeter long, and they are edible, and they fetch a very high price in the market. In the international market, it may go about 6 to 8,000 rupees per kg, those dry nuts which are taken from this tree. and this has bark silvery gray tinge, and the number of needles is again 3, as we had in case of Pinus roxburghi. But in Pinus roxburghi needles are longer. In case of Pinus gerardiana they are a bit shorter and stiffer. And on the Machel Yatra, whenever we go to Padar, we usually find the forest dominated by the Chilgoja pine. The seeds are also called as neze or nyoja for one, and this is edible and marketed and sold, and many people get livelihoods by having local collection. The artificial regeneration started by Himachal Pradesh Forest Department could not yield much better results, and regeneration of this particular cheat pine is also very poor, and because of overgrazing and other factors, this particular pine has been labeled as vulnerable. So this is approaching the threatened status. So this we need to protect this particular tree, and some efforts are being put by the forest department in raising the nursery stock also. But it is very difficult because its natural habitat is the rocky precipitous slopes where soil is less, and then only in the crevices some seedlings are able to emerge, but then they fail to recruit, ultimately leading to poor status of this Pinus gerardiana in the northwestern Himalayas. And in Pinus gerardiana we also have the association of some unique plants like Xanthoxylum armatum timbaru, Fraxinus xanthoxylidus, a kind of ash tree. Then we also find the plants like Crataegus sungarica, which is called as pendak, and very useful against hot ailments and other. And this is also an area which is known for zira, kala zira, Bunium persicum, where you find this Pinus gerardiana, and various kinds of mushrooms, for example Sparaeus crispa, sedi, and even Pleurotus austriatus, dhingri, and Marchella esculenta again, morels, so many, Helvella lacunus also, and then one particular edible kahlum or dharshag, edible, which is foxtail lily, Armurus himalicus, also grows in Pinus gerardiana forest, dominated by even other species like maples and sarva species, and even the plants like Ramanus and many raspberries, and even the rare species like Lysastria formosa, which is called as peepney, or it is peshkar in Padar area. So a lot of wildlife also exists in this, and this particular tree is very unique, restricted to Padar area in Jammu and Kashmir and Pangi Lahore in Himachal Pradesh. So we need to know about our natural heritage and the trees, and how they nurture the ecosystem, and how local people get livelihoods connected to exploitation of various resources found in these forests. Thank you.